I'm back here with another product review. This one is for a multi-function neck support for your Tesla Model 3 or Y. It comes in Napa Black, Napa White, Alcantara Black, or Alcantara White. So if you have the white or black seats, they have this headrest that goes in behind your neck. And I've installed one on the driver's side and I really like it, so I figure I'll open up this second package and I'll show you what's inside. So it comes in a nice little box here. It took about a week to arrive. Again, they have started using these instruction cards. They're a lot better than what they were providing before. Be sure, like I always do, go ahead and read these instructions, but you're not going to need them. You're going to watch my video and then you can toss these to the side. So again, what they're doing now is they have a online manual, QR code, and they also have a instruction installation video. So it's pretty cool. This thing comes with a thank you for being a customer, which card you can toss that one as well. Okay, so in this box we've got so this one's the Napa Black to match my black seats. So this is what the back looks like, and these little levers there for adjusting it. But look at that, looks pretty nice. It's got some stitching on the side here. It feels amazing. So yeah, I think it actually goes this way. So this is the up. They do have up thing, so when I do the install you'll see that. So this is the part that you're going to rest your head against, or neck. And then they have the mount in the box. Again, everything kind of fits into play, and they have numbers on it so you know which way's up or down. And this is the mechanism that they slide the headrest up and down so you can adjust it. It's not like some of the other ones where they're non-adjustable. And so this wraps around the headrest that's there already and then locks in. And it locks into this piece right here. So this kind of goes to the thing again. They have the up and down so you know which way to go. But here's what's pretty cool about it. So you can see that it has this piece here, and you can press this button right here, and then it'll pop down and you can put some bags if you wanted. So if you had groceries or something, you could put that there. So they have two of those pins that would pop down. So that's pretty cool. That's neat. And again, this is in the back for like in behind where the passenger sits. You can open up these wings like that. Sorry, it hasn't been opened before. So you can open those wings like that, and then you can place and I'll use an iPad mini. So you can just place that in there. And so someone in the back could be looking at this, but it also pivots. So now they can watch movies. So isn't that pretty cool? Now this is a mini, but I think if we just go ahead, I can probably see it can open up that much more. So I'm thinking a regular iPad or some type of other tablet would fit in there. Again, this is going to sit there. And then just to store it, you can go like that. Now, another thing that I noticed is if you have it open, you can tilt it up, and then you can pull it out, and then you can adjust it. So that's pretty neat too. So it is adjustable. And again, there you go. And I'll lock that back in place. So it's pretty neat. It's going to sit like this. If we go and let's go ahead and put this thing together for now. Again, I'll have to take it apart afterwards. So this does show the up, and this is up here. So we just slide these together. I think I can do it from the bottom. You got to press those buttons. So I'm going to press those buttons in. There we go. So you can see if we press these buttons like this, then I can go and I can move this up and down, which makes this go up and down because this is stationary on the seat, and this part locks into here like that. So this will sit there. So let's go ahead, we'll put this in, we'll see what you think. But what I noticed was when I first installed it, it was a little low for me, so I just raised it up and it felt great. I think if I'm waiting for my wife or something at a mall while she's shopping, normally I lay back, maybe try and get a nap. Well, this will be like a nice little pillow to rest my head on. So anyway, let's go ahead. We'll go do this quick install on the passenger seat, and I'll show you the screen in the back. So don't forget that Hansshow is running a summer 20% off right now, and be sure to use my discount code BCTeslaGuy. Everything that you need is in the description, and you'll get 20% off of everything that you purchase at Hansshow. Okay, so let's go ahead, let's do the install. So one of the things you just got to make sure when you're doing it, there's an up and down, so just make sure the up is up. Both the back plate that I just put on, so we can go ahead and we'll just take this off. So you can see on the back side here, you can see it says up and down, so this is the up part. And then this is the part that wraps around the headrest. So let's go ahead, let's put this in to start. So we'll line this up. And you need to press down on these levers here to adjust it. So we'll just put it there for now. Again, the lower it is down is actually going to raise up the headrest. And so all we're going to do is we're going to take this and wrap it around one side, wrap it another around the other, and then just let that sit there. And then we take the second piece. Again, there's an up and down. So this kind of sticks to here. It's a little bit of rubber feeling. Again, just slide this into the one side. If we turn this, you can see there's exposes some buttons. So we'll just press that button. That puts it into place. And we'll do the same on this side. And it's now locked into place. So it's super easy to install. It kind of wraps underneath the headrest. And again, we have these little pieces right here that you can hang like a bag or something. So if we want, we can hang something there. If you don't need to, you can just put those out of the way. But the main function of this is you can open this up and then take your iPad or iPad mini or your phone and put it in sideways, and then go ahead and just lock that into place, and then you can turn that, and now you have a video, or you can now stream video for your children in the back seat, or navigation, or whatever it is that you want the iPad, they could read on it. Again, if you pull it out, you can adjust it so down like that. So that's pretty neat. It can go either way. So again, like that. It's not going to hold very well in the middle area, and I think road it'll probably rock. So I'd probably have it locked there. Again, it's perfect for, entertaining your children in the back seat. And again, we can take that out. Now, I don't think it'll do this. Let's see how far we can open this. So we can't open it as wide as that, but I guess I can try and figure out what the width is. But you can see I can go another inch and a half wider than this. So definitely can probably do the iPad here. Again, just turn it like that. That's pretty cool. And we have the screen down there that has video, but everybody has to look down here. This way you can put this up here. If you've got an iPad with Bluetooth enabled headsets, you can give the headsets to them. They can watch their children's shows or sport events or whatever it is that someone wants to watch on here, and then that's it. Now, the other part that I was mentioning was the adjustment. So on the front of this, or on the back, there's these pads, and then you can go ahead and you can raise it up or you can lower it. I'm really not sure why you'd want it that low, but you can only go about that high. Again, I've never found these headrests that come with this to be very useful. I didn't know that, well, I've never had my head on it at all. But you can see over here, I've got this one set up. You can go up quite high. I actually might raise mine even more. I haven't tested it out since the last adjustment. But that's it. It's secure on there. It's not going to come off. That's pretty neat. Boom. Got a holder for a cell phone. Anyway, thanks for watching.